Coming back, he's not playing tonight, but Glenn missed all of last year. Here's Jarryd Hayne. How about that catch? Say hey. Good day, mate.
Well, it's a bomb of a kick, and look at this catch over the shoulder, and then here's what you love. Again, we saw it last week in the open field, the vision, the cutting ability, shakes off Kyle Wilbur right there. Look at him read the block in front of him by Bruce Miller.
The ball punted away again to Hayne, and he'll bring this from the 20, makes the first man miss, makes a couple more miss, and the punter has to stop him. A 34-yard punt return. There's the Xfinity, infinity, innovative move.
Those gunners, the guys that run down and cover kicks on the outside for the punt team, very, very athletic.
I don't think punts have been this exciting around here in a while. Chris Jones. All right, I'm sorry, this is Tom Hornsey, their second punter. The camp punter. And Hayne coming back. Jarryd Hayne has made, and if you thought he made his statement last week, he's screaming from a mountaintop in this first quarter.
Pretty good. 28 yards of return on those 3 returns.
That was our Mendocino power performer. Here's a power run by Hayne. And Jarryd Hayne.
The story of the preseason in pro football. It really is. This guy has never played football before. A terrific rugby player, but just his abilities and learning the terminology and the line calls. Look at him switch the ball into the left hand, a wicked straight arm.